where cold winds blow, through lands of white and skies of snow. A waddle moves in black and white, a charming, cheerful, frosty sight. With flippered grace they dive and glide, through icy waves they smoothly slide. No wings to soar, yet swift and free, they rule the depths beneath the sea. In huddled warmth they stand so tight, through endless days and frozen nights. A steadfast heart, a love so true, through storms they guard their precious few. Their echoes ring in twilight air, soft calls of love, a bond so rare. Through biting cold and winds so wild, they shield their egg, their unborn child. And when the sun begins to rise, it paints the snow with golden dyes. They greet the dawn with happy cries, beneath the glow of Arctic skies. Oh, little dancers, bold and bright, with wobbly steps, yet hearts so light. Upon the ice, beneath the blue, the world is warmer thanks to you. Ooh.